Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about should you buy Circuit Demon headlights. So you do need this Morimoto app, and this controls everything. So this is how you change the color. It's really easy. You just go scroll through, move it up, move it dark. Then this controls the outputs of it. So pretty much it controls the demon eyes, both projectors and the hex halos. So my eye is swollen. I don't know what I did, but I literally woke up with this eye swollen, in case you notice it throughout the video. So this has to be the brightest day ever to shoot. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but there's literally, I hit a dragonfly. Crazy. I really hope you can see the colors right now. It's yellow, it's going to pink, red, purple, blue. So I chose a really bad time to film this video because it is extremely bright outside, and I'm talking about headlights. So should you buy Circuit Demon headlights? You saw the quality yourself. If you want something different, go right ahead, because they are right now changing the game for headlights custom built for Subarus. My experience on the headlights, when I first got them, you can tell the quality was amazing. It was a plug and play, easy to install, even if you don't know anything about wiring systems like me. The headlights are expensive, so it is going to cost you a lot of money to get them if you want them to specifically build them themselves. My personal experience, they are amazing quality headlights. If you're going for the custom route and you have a Subaru, definitely recommend you buy them. They look crazy on pictures, they look crazy in person, and they just make your car stand out. These were the first hex halos built for this car. When they first assembled the hex halos, and I was like, yo, I want these hex halos before anyone else. So they built these with the double hex halos, and around 2 years ago is when I got them. Hopefully, if you guys are thinking about buying Circuit Demon headlights or building this yourselves, you can see that the quality is good and you can go through them, you can trust them. Because one of my LEDs started acting up a year ago. I emailed them, they sent me the part free because they have lifetime warranty. So they'll literally tell you, oh, this is what's wrong, I'm gonna send you this part. And they sent me it, got it on the mail the next week, installed it, it fixed the problem. Did I buy them again? Probably not. I personally probably would have bought the parts through Circuit Demon and built the headlights themselves, because the headlights are expensive. Plus, if you don't send yours, you gotta buy some new ones. So that adds like an extra $600, which is kind of crazy, just to the build process. But if you buy the parts, you can buy the parts through Circuit Demon and build it yourself. That's what I would do, because it's plug and play. My friend's doing it right now with their parts, and he's saying how it's so easy. You just gotta be patient on the assembly part, but all the electrical stuff, it's just plug and play. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and follow me on Instagram at LeoJuego8. Thank you guys for watching.